I'm not gonna have any trouble with you, big boy. Can you talk?
Yes, boss. I can talk.
The Green Mile is a movie adaptation from its serial novel written in 1996 by American writer Stephen King, which then filmed and published 3 years later in the 1999, set in the 1930s at the Cold Mountain Penitentiary's death row facility. The Green Mile is a riveting and tragic story of John Coffey, played by Michael Clarke Duncan, a gentle giant with miraculous gift who's wrongfully convicted of murder of 2 little white girls. Green Mile also tells story from Paul H. Combe, played by Tom Hanks, a death row corrections officer who began to question John Coffey's innocence, which later Paul have empathy for John Coffey. The plot begins with John holding the 2 dead girls in his hands and then surrounded by white folks gathering to take John to prison, which then John was sentenced to death penalty. In the death row facility, we are introduced with Paul, a death row officer who's on duty. At first, when John met Paul, Paul was surprised that John was scared of the darkness. When the officers wanted to turn off the lights, John asked Paul to not turn off the lights. This made Paul started to questioning John's innocence. As the movie progressed, Paul faced with dilemma that John is really innocent. When John helped a mice killed by another officer, John helped the dying mice with his superpowers, who can cure any kind of illness. In one condition, if the living thing is still alive, John is able to help by sucking the bad energy and release it and turns into a dark mist. John does this because he doesn't want any living things to be hurt. And later in the movie, John also helped Paul cure his genital cancer, which ruined his marriage and his life. At this part, Paul was convinced that John is a really gentle and kind giant who's wrongfully caught by unfortunate circumstances, followed an additions to the racism at that time. Paul then decided to help John to escape from the death penalty, to which John denies the offer and chooses to die as an act of mercy. At the end, we are told that John was trying to help the 2 girls. He's trying to revive the 2 died girls using his power. And the effect of his power are every time John uses his power, he are tortured and hurt by his power. These movies explored racism, justice, and humanity, and executed with beautiful and well-organized plot, which managed to snatch Best Pictures, Best Supporting Actors, Best Sound Mixing, and Best Adapted Screenplay in the year 2000. Michael Clarke Duncan's performance was magical. He can capture every sad moment, and quoted from his interview, every sad scene Duncan was remembering his dead father. To get as real and as emotional as it can be for us to enjoy. Tom Hanks also complete this movie with his magnificent acting skills. For me personally, this movie is the best movie and give the audience an emotional journey that is impossible to forget. I believe that there is no latest movie that can ever compare or come close to this art. If you haven't watched it, try it yourself, but you have to be prepared for the emotional journey from the start until the end.